Welcome to our channel. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. Unlock Radiant Vitality. 10 Hydration Fundamentals Every Woman Should Know. Hydration is the cornerstone of health and vitality, and for women it holds particular significance. Our bodies are uniquely designed, and understanding how to optimize hydration can unlock a world of radiant vitality. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 10 hydration hacks tailored specifically for women. From understanding the effects water has on the body to mindful hydration habits, we'll delve deep into strategies to keep you feeling refreshed, replenished, and glowing from within. Understanding the unique hydration needs of women. Hydration is fundamental to every aspect of health, and women have distinct hydration requirements influenced by various physiological factors. Recognizing and addressing these unique needs is essential for optimal well-being and vitality. Body composition. Women generally have a higher percentage of body fat than men, which affects hydration levels. Fat tissue contains less water than lean tissue, meaning women may have a lower total body water content, requiring careful attention to hydration. Hormonal fluctuations. Hormonal changes throughout the menstrual cycle can impact hydration needs. For example, during the luteal phase, progesterone levels rise, leading to water retention and increased thirst. Understanding these fluctuations helps women adjust their hydration strategies accordingly. Pregnancy and lactation. Pregnancy and breastfeeding place additional demands on a woman's body, requiring increased fluid intake to support maternal and fetal hydration needs. Proper hydration during these stages is crucial for maternal health, fetal development, and milk production. Menopause. Menopausal women may experience hormonal shifts that affect hydration, such as decreased estrogen levels leading to changes in fluid balance and increased risk of dehydration. Managing hydration becomes vital during this transitional phase of life. Physical activity. Women often engage in various forms of physical activity, from daily exercise routines to intense workouts. Hydration plays a key role in supporting athletic performance, regulating body temperature, and preventing dehydration-related complications during exercise. Nutritional choices. Dietary factors influence hydration status, with certain foods contributing to overall fluid intake. Women should be mindful of consuming hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables, as well as balancing electrolytes to optimize hydration. Temperature and environment. External factors such as ambient temperature and humidity can impact fluid loss through sweat, affecting hydration requirements. Women living in hot climates or engaging in outdoor activities need to increase fluid intake to offset dehydration risk. Urinary health. Women are more prone to urinary tract infections, UTIs, due to factors like anatomy and hormonal fluctuations. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining urinary tract health by flushing out bacteria and preventing infection. Age-related changes. As women age, physiological changes such as decreased kidney function and reduced thirst sensation can affect hydration status. Older women may need to be more vigilant about staying hydrated to support overall health and well-being. Individual variability. While general guidelines for hydration exist, every woman's hydration needs are unique and influenced by factors such as genetics, metabolism, medical conditions, and lifestyle habits. Listening to your body's cues and adjusting fluid intake accordingly is key to meeting individual hydration requirements. Understanding the nuanced hydration needs of women is essential for promoting optimal health and vitality across all stages of life. By considering factors such as hormonal fluctuations, pregnancy, physical activity levels, and environmental influences, women can develop personalized hydration strategies to support overall well-being and thrive at every age. How hydration impacts overall health and well-being. Hydration is vital for maintaining overall health and well-being as it regulates body temperature, aids digestion, supports nutrient absorption, and lubricates joints. Optimal hydration promotes cardiovascular health, boosts cognitive function, and enhances mood. From improving skin elasticity to boosting immune function, staying hydrated is essential for vitality and longevity, impacting every aspect of our well-being. The role of water in maintaining optimal bodily functions. Water is the cornerstone of maintaining optimal bodily functions, acting as a medium for essential biochemical reactions. It facilitates nutrient transport, waste removal, and cell hydration, ensuring proper organ function. Water regulates body temperature through sweating and evaporation, crucial for thermoregulation. From supporting cardiovascular circulation to aiding in joint lubrication, water plays a pivotal role in sustaining life and promoting overall health and vitality. Know your hydration goals. Identify your objectives and understand your body's requirements. Document your goals in your planner, calendar, and sticky notes, ensuring constant reminders. Aligning your actions with your aspirations fosters accountability and helps you stay focused on achieving your desired outcomes. Setting personalized hydration targets. Setting personalized hydration targets involves considering individual factors such as age, weight, activity level, and environmental conditions. Assessing fluid needs based on these variables ensures adequate hydration to support optimal bodily functions. Tailoring intake goals empowers individuals to stay hydrated effectively, promoting overall health and well-being while accounting for their unique hydration requirements. Tracking hydration levels and adjusting accordingly. Tracking hydration levels involves monitoring urine color, frequency, and thirst cues throughout the day. Utilize hydration apps or journals to record fluid intake and assess hydration status regularly. Adjust intake based on factors like physical activity, climate, and individual needs to maintain optimal hydration levels. Consistent monitoring and adjustments ensure adequate hydration, supporting overall health and well-being goals. Strategies to incorporate hydration into a hectic lifestyle. Incorporating hydration into a busy lifestyle involves strategic planning and habits. Carry a refillable water bottle wherever you go, making hydration convenient and accessible. Set reminders on your phone or schedule dedicated water breaks throughout the day. Opt for hydrating snacks like fruits and vegetables, and infuse water with refreshing flavors to make it more enticing. Prioritizing hydration amidst busyness ensures sustained energy and vitality for women on the go. Hydration and hormonal health. How hormones influence hydration levels in women. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating hydration levels in women. Throughout the menstrual cycle, hormonal fluctuations impact fluid balance, with estrogen and progesterone influencing thirst sensation and water retention. Understanding these hormonal shifts helps women anticipate changes in hydration needs and adjust fluid intake accordingly. By staying attuned to their body's cues and hormonal rhythms, women can effectively manage hydration levels to support hormonal health and overall well-being. The connection between hydration and skin radiance. Hydration is closely linked to skin radiance, as adequate water intake nourishes the skin from within, promoting a glowing complexion. Proper hydration helps maintain skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It supports the skin's natural barrier function, preventing dryness and dullness. By hydrating sufficiently, individuals can achieve a vibrant, youthful appearance, enhancing their overall beauty and confidence. Consistent hydration is key to unlocking the full potential of radiant, luminous skin. The impact of hydration on cognitive function and mood. Hydration profoundly influences cognitive function and mood, with dehydration impairing various aspects of brain performance. Research suggests that even mild dehydration can lead to decreased concentration, impaired memory, and diminished alertness. Additionally, hydration plays a role in regulating mood and emotional well-being, as water is involved in neurotransmitter production and transport. By staying adequately hydrated, individuals can enhance cognitive clarity, sustain mental focus, and promote positive mood states, ultimately optimizing their overall cognitive function and emotional resilience. Conclusion: hydration is not just about drinking water, it's about nourishing your body, mind, and soul. As women, prioritizing hydration empowers us to radiate vitality from the inside out. By understanding these 10 hydration facts, you'll embark on a journey towards optimal health, glowing skin, and boundless energy. Cheers to unlocking your radiant vitality through the power of hydration. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.